Today we'll talk about how can you fix this problem or know how you can do that on your Dreamlink app. So all you have to do, just click here on settings here. So then it's going to take you to this list here. Then all you have to do, so you just go down here, then you click here on apps, then come to apps list here. And here you're looking for Dreamlink app, or just click here on search. Then here at the LS24 app, it's going to show for you like this. Click on it. Then it's going to take you to, when you just, it's going to show for you like this. Click on it. So then it's going to take you to this list. Click here on for stop. Then you click here on OK. So then you go down, just click here on storage. Come to storage list here, just click here on clear cache. Then all you have to do, so you just restart your phone and start it again, then it's going to work with you. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by like